Good afternoon. I'm here with my new Vector Optics scope, which I ordered a few days ago from Vector Air, and this is the 624x44 first focal plane. So this is the actual box it comes in. You can see that's the reticle, which is an MR4 they call it. Okay, specifications on the back, so you can see that nice and clearly. So quick unboxing. So what's in the box? Off with the lid. And what we have a checklist here. Now I think this is from actually Vector Air. I don't think it's from China because it's actually got like a readable English text. Now, when you see Chinese text, converted Chinese to English, it's not quite the same. So it comes with a instruction leaflet. Yeah, that's the only downside. You can go onto their website, which is vectoroptics.com. And they've got much more detailed information on this scope. Okay, I've checked that. It comes with a 5-year warranty as well. Okay, right, inside the box, let's take the scope out first and see what it comes with. So you get 2 flip ups, standard with these scopes. Yeah, they're a bit really basic, but they do the job. I've got a few. You've got a sunshade. This is like the honeycomb sunshade, which I think is much better than the long sunshades because it actually doesn't add much to the length of the scope. Okay. You've got a tool here that's for removing the windage and elevation cap, so you can set them to 0. Okay, little marked up Vector Air, as you can see there, like so. Okay, you see that. You come with a cleaning cloth with a rather neat little bag here, and what it is, the actual cleaning cloth actually goes inside the bag, and you unfold it, and it's attached inside the bag, so you don't actually lose it, and it's got a little clip, so you can clip your cleaning cloth on. Quite a good idea. It comes with a little Allen key like this. I'm not sure what that's for actually, because I can't find any use for it. And then it comes with a set of actual mounts, and these actual mounts look pretty good. These are obviously 20mm, and interestingly, the actual screws that hold the actual mount brackets on are actually like a Renault key. They're not an Allen key. They're like a star-shaped one, which is what they call. I think they call them Renault keys. Okay, but the actual mounts look quite decent. I probably won't use them. I'll probably use my sports match on mine. Okay, then we move on to the scope. So the reason why I think this was checked by Vector Air is because this scope would normally be wrapped in this, I thought, and then inside this bag, and this is how it came. So my guess is they've checked this before they send it out, which is good. It's good to know that you've got UK dealers that are actually doing that. So when you do get your scope, you expect it to be dead on. So this is the scope. It's really nice actually. I mean, I've got 2 Discovery scopes, and this is, I think it actually feels better quality. You've got your windage and elevation. You pull them, turn them. Yeah, very precise. Same with the windage elevation. Yeah, you've got your parallax adjustment here. Again, nice and firm, so you won't knock it out. Very, very smooth. Yeah. Your magnification. Yeah. Again, it's quite firm, so you're not going to knock it out if you give it a nudge. Magnification markings are as follows: 6, 7, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 20, and 24. Okay. And then you've got your normal optic adjustment for your actual reticle, for your own personal eye. Yeah, focus. Okay. I have managed to get a few photographs through this of the reticle at 6, 10, 16 and 24 magnification, and I shall post them as well. But yeah, the quality is really nice. Very impressed. Price wise, a little bit cheaper than the Discovery, the VT3 I've got, so yeah, probably 10, 20 cheaper in UK. But I really like the quality of this. I like the way they've really thought about the grip of these, yeah, because obviously these are more serrated, so you've got a better grip on them. It would be nice to have like a little lever on the actual zoom, you know, a little bit of lever, so you've got something to grab over a bit. It's so smooth, yeah, and it's not overly difficult to turn. Okay, you can turn it with your fingers like that. Okay, so that's the quick unboxing. I shall be fitting this to my Urigan, swapping my VT3 Compact and putting this on, and see how she performs outside on the range. Okay, so I hope you like that little video. I'll just give you a view over it. Yeah, really nice optics. You can see that. build quality, but these are really nice. They seem more precise than the Discovery ones. Some caps, when you some of the cheaper scopes, because this is really quite a cheap scope, budget scope, first focal plane. Some of them can be a bit soft, a bit squidgy, but this seems really precise each position. So yeah, so she goes. So looks really nice, looks good. If you want to see the in-depth specifications, there's on the back of the box, and also go to their website and they give you the whole specification. I will try and get a photo of the actual reticle off their website, maybe a screenshot to go with the picture, so people can see what the reticle looks like. So I hope you like that. Thanks for watching.